Hello everyone. It's an unboxing day. It's a Pilot. It's a custom 742 gold nib, music nib. Not only is it going to be an unboxing, it's also going to be a reskinning of this pen. You might remember that I've got the FA nib, the Falcon, that really nice flex nib that Pilot do. And I put it into a 365-day stationery Raden Maki-e, gorgeous, fantastic skin. It's one of my favorites. I think this might be a thing, because the FA, now the music. Course, I think, is next, maybe. Double broad. I'm going to need a few, because I really, really like their work, and the value for that one is really high. Can't wait to use it. It's been so hard today. Oh, let's get into it right now. All right, what have we here? We have a box. It's a Pilot box. It's a cardboard box. And inside the box, ooh, it's a box. It's a plastic box. Also a Pilot box, I suppose, although it doesn't say, but I reckon it's a Pilot box still. Inside the box, right, we have international warranty card, standard fare, and a use and care guide telling us how to use pens. Amazing. I should probably read that one actually. Right, what have we now? Well, okay, so it looks much like all the other ones that you've got, yeah? Except of what it says there. So we've got custom 742 and the sticker that says MS. So that's the music nib. Let's put the box out of the way. Let's maybe have a bit of a zoom so we can open up and look at what the nib appears to look like, or actually does look like. Here we go. Opening it up. Dum dum dum. Should probably zoom in and make sure we're focused, hey? Oh, come on, focus please. It's hard for me to know if it's focused or if it's just my lumen eyes. There we are, that's better. All right, cap off, and it is a nib. It's a nib, it is a double slit nib. Ah, oh, man, if only this was Schrodinger's cat. Quantum physics joke, gotta love it. All right, there we are, that's a music nib. So it's got two slits. It's got three tines, essentially. It performs much like a stub, I am told. It's 14 karat, as it says, and it has never had ink touch it. So this is very special. I can't wait to use it. I'm very excited. What else is there? So before we start putting ink into it, we want to zoom out a little because I want to show you something else. This is the skin that we were talking about. You've seen this one before. This one is going to be the final resting place of my music nib. It is from 365-day stationery. It has nothing in it at the moment. I reckon it's time to take this one out and put it where it belongs. See what it looks like. Make sure all the threads are nice and happy. They are. How does it look? How does it look? Looks pretty nice. Is it in focus? Yeah, good enough. Zoom again. All the way in, all the way in. There it is. Beautiful nib. And the beautiful body. Oh, look at that beautiful thing there. There it is. Abalone Planet from 365-day stationery, those legends. Thanks, Mr. Hunk, you're a legend. What about the cap? Cap has a similar one. Ooh, where is it? Where is it? There it is. Amazing. Look at that thing. That's so pretty. Tell you what, guys, it's time for ink, don't you reckon? Let's get some ink in this bad boy. All right. Here it is, the music nib by Pilot. First words. So right off the bat, I got to say it's very tricky for me to use this nib. At least it is the way that I'm using the pen at the moment. So I'm an overwriter. I'm a lefty, as you can tell, and I push down more than most people. You know, normally when you're doing the ups and downs, you're pulling. I kind of push, and that's not really good when you've got the 3 slits there, the 2 slits there. So I'm sure it's just a matter of time until I get used to it. I might even change my writing style specifically for this nib when I use it. But for now, yeah, this one, let's see what I can do here. Slow down maybe this nib. It is pretty tricky. All right, I've had an idea. What about if I try to do this? So I'm going to go underwriting, and I'm going to go the same. So yeah, man, it's embarrassing. My handwriting's awful, isn't it? Anyway, I'll get there one day. Tell you what, I'm thinking the lines, right, that you're supposed to do when you do your music stave, you know, across like that. So very narrow, and then up and down. If I don't put pressure on there, it's still very broad, but then, you know, it doesn't need much. Doesn't need much force at all to really open up, as you can see there. Yeah, very narrow on that side. Left to right, very much so. What about loops? Let's give that a shot, shall we? So, pull. There you have it. Music nib. Thoughts, everyone? I like it. Tell you what, my girlfriend's going to be chuffed when she sees this because she loves stub nibs. Me, not so much. I think I know where this one's going. All right, everyone. That's it from me. Bye-bye.